Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends. To your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Hello students, subscribers, viewers, and future engineers. There is another problem in Vitamath. I hope that you will enjoy watching and you will learn from this problem, from the solution to this problem. This problem is taken as a problem on tangent line and sketching of curves from calculus. So find the point where the curves y equals x cubed minus 3x plus 4 and y equals 3x squared minus 3x are tangent to each other, that is, have a common tangent line. Illustrate by sketching both curves and the common tangent. Also specify the curve of the common tangent. So this is a cubic function, and a cubic function will have alternating opening. So like that, this is a parabola that is open upward, and it is open upward. Uh, if you're familiar with sketching problems, you may do so. Especially for parabola, you can transform this to standard form of equation. And as well as the cubic function, when x is negative, it comes from down, negative infinity. So the graph will look like that. For this parabola, it is open upward. But I'll just present a method that is by point plotting, and of course with the aid of software to make the curves smooth, and so that we can you can also visualize the curves. So all you have to do is substitute the values of x here. We have negative 3 to positive 3 for this curve here. So when x is negative 3, so let's sketch the green curve first. It is a cubic as mentioned earlier. We anticipate that it looks like that. If it is quartic, then it may look like this, W. So these are the points to be plotted for the green curve, negative 3 comma negative 14. All you have to do is substitute negative 3, solve for y. Then from the calculator, you have to define that function. Start should be negative 3 and end at 3, step 1. And it will generate these values. So negative 3 comma negative 14. So it is here as shown. That's negative 3 comma negative 14. Then negative 2 comma 2, positive 2, which is that point there. Then negative 1 comma 6, 0 comma 4, then 1 comma 2, 2 comma 6, which is this, and finally 3 comma 22. So here. Then for the red curve, which is a parabola, when x is 0, of course it is 0. But let's begin with negative 3 and end at 4. So start negative 3, end 4. And step is 1. Still, the step is 1. So by the way, the green curve has the equation y equals x cubed minus 3x plus 4 as shown. And for the red curve, negative 3 comma 36, all you have to do substitute negative 3, then it will generate these points. In your calculator mode table, define this function. Start negative 3 and the 4, step is 1, then it will automatically generate these points. So let's locate them, negative 3 comma positive 36. then negative 2 comma 18, negative 1 comma 6, which is this point, common point of intersection between the two curves, then 0 0, then 1 0, which is that, then 2 comma 6, which is the common point also, and this is the common point of tangency in the figure, but let's also find it. So this is the common point of tangency. Then we have 3 18, 318 is here, and finally 4 comma 36. So that's it, and the equation of the curve, let's specify y equals 3x squared minus 3x. So let's differentiate the first curve. Dy dx for the green curve is 3x squared minus 3. That's the slope of the tangent. And let us show that at the common point of tangency, the slope of the common tangent is the same or common. So 3 times 2 square, then minus 3. So it is 9. And for the red curve, y prime dy dx is 6x minus 3. And when x is 2, 6 times 2 minus 3 is 12 minus 3. So the slope is also 9. So that means that the common point of tangency is really 2 comma 6, not 1 comma 6. They are not tangent. There's no common tangent there. And the common tangent will have a slope of 9. There's no need to find the equation. It is not mentioned here to find the equation, just the common tangent, and therefore this is the common tangent represented by this blue line here. That's the common point 2 comma 6, and that's our answer. Common point of tangency is 2 comma 6. There's also negative 1 comma 6, but as shown in the figure, it's the point of intersection, but we cannot draw a line that is a common tangent only at 2 comma 6, which is smooth curve as shown in the figure. So let's now specify the common tangent with slope of 9. So that's it for this problem. I hope that you understand the explanation and the solutions, especially for sketching these curves. It may be a rough sketch of the curve, but make sure that you can find the common point of tangency 2 comma 6 so that you can draw the common tangent.